Guys, Phil Carrick here from OnlineMarketingBuddies.com. Thanks for stopping by. What I'd like to do is just show you how to create a nice profile banner on the left hand side using Pixlr. So if I can go to one of my buddies' Facebook pages, Cornish Pasty Trading Company, here we are. And as you can see, he has a nice banner here and also a nice custom page that I've built for him. But we're more concerned about this banner on the left hand side. So, how to create a banner. If you can go onto Google and type in P-I-X-L-R, Pixlr, and just select Pixlr.com. Pixlr.com is a free graphics editing tool and it's great. It's really all you need for something like this. If you can click on Pixlr Editor, create a new image, and has lots of presets here you can select, but we're going to select a width of 200 and a height of 600. So if you click OK, that's essentially the size Facebook will allow you for the left hand side banner. So what we can do is we can now start to upload images. So if you open image and select an image on your computer, so if we go men, I quite like this one. Now that's too big, so we need to resize this. So if you go onto image and image size, we know the width is 200 pixels. So if you type in 200, always make sure the constraint proportions is ticked, otherwise the image will look elongated. And click OK, and that puts it into a more manageable size image for Facebook. So if you then click the marquee tool, I was waiting there, I forgot what it was called. Click marquee tool and then left click anywhere outside the image and drag it and release, and then click edit, cut, and we can then close this image down. You want it? Nope. And then if we then we're back on the canvas for the banner. So we click on edit and then paste. It'll paste it in the middle. Always make sure that you've got this layer selected. Double click that and give it a decent name, or a name that you can identify it, and click anywhere outside that box. Just when you're working with Pixlr, if these are all called layers, if you have quite a few layers open and you haven't renamed them, it becomes quite confusing and you spend half the time clicking on them and trying to find out which image it is. So you can keep it on the center of the canvas, or if you want to move it, again, make sure it's selected, click on the move tool, and you can move it anywhere you want. So we'll just stick it up the top there. Now the next thing we want is a little bit of text. So click on the text tool and click anywhere on the canvas. Online marketing. Very easy. Okay, then you can change the different fonts. Okay, we'll have that boy, regular, bold, italic. I've already selected extra bold, so there's not a great deal we can do on that, but you can select a whole, different type of style. Change the size there so it fits nicely in, and if you click on there, we'll just center the made easy. And last, we can change the color if we want. We'll just keep it blue like the image. And okay. So you can see we've got online marketing. So it automatically defaults the first two words. So online marketing selected. Again, click on the move tool and we can drag that anywhere we want. Okay, so we'll just stick that there for a moment. And if there's anything else that you want to put in, just select another text tool and we'll pop the website address, www.onlinemarketingbuddies.com. Okay, so we'll just select that, for example, and we'll make it bold. It's obviously too big, so we'll reduce that. Online marketing is probably about 13. You should be able to see it. We'll just leave it black. Okay, you can obviously select any color you want. Click OK, and again make sure that that's selected, and click the move tool, and we can drag it as such. And then what you can also do is just add a little bit more text here. Click like for lots of free goodies. And we'll make that blue as well, eh? And bold. And we'll make it a wee bit bigger, eh? There goes my phone. Sorry about that. Click OK. Now, if we need to edit any of these, again we need to select the text that we wish to edit. This time we'll select this text. Click like for lots of free goodies. So we've got that. If you click the text box and then click over it, and there it is. So what I want to do is I just want to center that. So I'll probably do, and click OK. And the last thing is just to use the move tool and move it anywhere we want. Okay. I think you've probably got the general gist of things now anyway. Now to save it, I would recommend saving it as two files, a JPEG and a PNG. So if you go to File and then Save, and give it a meaningful name, FB side banner, and it always selects JPEG as the default, so click OK and then save anywhere you want. I won't do that, I'll just cancel it. But and then what I would also do is I would then go to File, Save, but this time select side banner. This time select the drop down menu and go to PNG. PNG is basically a transparent file, so it gives you a little bit more flexibility. So then just click OK and then save, click, and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully you found this interesting and useful. If you haven't, just let me know anyway. I'll try and refine it. And then the next video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page. Okay, to embed this. Sorry about that. I'm just getting used to this Mac, and it's a little bit sensitive. Okay, so this is Phil Carrick, onlinemarketingbuddies.com. Bye for now.